Okay folks, welcome back. I just wanted to show you what I did with this DVD player that I tore apart. The case being useless, I put everything back together but on a wooden board. It can act like a nice display. I can mount this vertically like this and put on a stand and have a little vertical exposed player going. Let me show you what I've got here. The speaker's been put back and I have to double side tape this and as well as mount this still to the board, but this is held in by some double-sided tape already. That's the battery. So let's put it in. I have the buttons accessible, so the board has been flipped over so I can actually reach all the buttons like play and fast forward. I have the controls here so I know what they do. Basically they just map to these keys. I do have to press this button right here, which is the disc insertion. As soon as I press that, it says close and it will load. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to maybe mount something to the board here and have it just flip up and touch this switch, and when it's touching it, it'll basically get it going. So now that it's playing, I'll just show you what's going on. Again, this will play vertically, no problem. You can hear from the speaker here, no problem. Now I may have to put some kind of a, when I mount it, some kind of backing on the speaker so that it's louder, so it amplifies the sound, like a little cone or something. Otherwise it's not very loud. Let's fast forward. So that would be this button here. Will it let me go? Okay, it's jumping. And which is the other one? That's fast here. Okay, so we'll try to double speed it here and then play. Yeah, so you can see it here. You can even do it like this, you know, have like a little turntable looking thing like this. Anyway, it's a good sort of cyberpunk DVD player. If I put a bunch of stuff around here, make it look very fancy, it could be almost like a cyberpunk DVD player. You know, just embellish it a little bit. But basically, that's it. It works a treat. It's unfortunately not much use portability wise anymore. Good science fair project maybe to show how this thing would work. I got a bunch of screws stuck to the back of the speaker here. Through the magnet. Get that out of there. Okay. But yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to show you the progress on this thing. Thanks for watching. I'm going to turn this thing off. Still going because it's buffered. But yeah, DVD stops. I can then remove it. That's it. That's the whole thing. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.